Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa and today's video will be all about Pink October. I really love this month because it's the month of breast cancer awareness, and to celebrate we have here this amazing set by Sigma Beauty. This is a limited edition. 20% of this brush set presets to bright pink, and this is amazing, and I'm very honored to create a video about it to show you this amazing news. So here we have a pink beauty blender, a pink brush that is so good and amazing, so beautiful, and also this amazing bag that is so good to travel with. So to begin this makeup look, I'm gonna moisturize my face using the Thermal Water by Vichy. I'm gonna pull my hair back and spray it all over my face. And this tutorial is special to celebrate the Pink October month, but I think we gotta be careful the whole year. So you have to love yourself in any moment of your life and never let any problem or healthy problem take off your inner strength to fight for better days. As a human, we don't have to be strong all the time, but after a fall, you can just stand up and be strong again. Oops, I also spray all over my face the setting spray by George Cosmetics, and I let it dry naturally. Next, I'm gonna apply a few drops of liquid glass by Farsali all over my face. With the tip of my fingers, I'm gonna massage really well this product to spread it out. And next, I'm gonna apply the Skin Tune Blur, also by Farsali, just in the center of my face, and I'm gonna spray it out using the tip of my fingers again. This product is amazing to give me a flawless skin effect and a airbrushed effect as well. So now I'm ready to apply my foundation, and today I'm gonna use Eyeliner by Urban Decay. I love this foundation so much because it's matte and looks so good in my skin. And as you can see here, I'm gonna use my new 3D HD Perfect Complexion brush set. And to apply my foundation all over my face, I'm gonna use this amazing pink brush. I love the color of this brush. It's cruelty free and also 2 years warranty. So good. And also this bag is so cute. I'm gonna apply this foundation using this amazing brush all over my face, and to finish my foundation application, I'm gonna use a little bit the 3D HD blender just to remove the excess and to help to smooth even better this foundation. But just because I love a natural finish, this brush is so good to have airbrush effect in my skin, and also to hit all the corners, like the corners of my nose and the rocket of my eyes, and small areas in your face. I know this foundation looks too light for my face, but it looks good in the end because this foundation oxidizes a little bit in my skin and ends up matching with the exact color of my face. To finish the application, as I said before, I'm gonna use the 3D HD blender, and I'm gonna make it damp a little bit using the same setting spray that I was using before by George Cosmetics, and just dab all over my face till I remove all the excess product. Now I'm gonna apply concealer. I'm using Radiance Cream Concealer by NARS in the shade Fair. I love this concealer because it's full coverage, so I just have to apply a little bit. To blend this concealer, I'm gonna use the same blender as before, and what is left in the blender, I'm gonna apply in the eyelid as well, just to cover the dark circles as you can see here, and this will act as a base for my eyeshadows. And now I'm gonna use one of my favorite powders, and this Translucent by Laura Mercier. I love this powder so much. For me, it's one of the best that I have ever used it in my life. So using this Poly Duster brush, also by Sigma, I'm gonna apply a little tiny bit all over my face. And today I will bake a little bit, so I'm gonna use the same blender that I was using before to apply this powder just in a few areas of my face, as you can see here. And I'm gonna let it set for 5 minutes. While I'm doing my baking, I'm gonna sculpt my face using the Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna use the lightest contour shade and the same spotlight duster brush that I was using before. And I'm gonna apply this product just in the areas that I want to make appear slimmer or to create some shadows in my face. But today I'm gonna use just a little bit to have a more soft effect. Now I'm gonna clean up my brush that I was using for contour, and I'm gonna remove the excess product from my face. So I'm gonna wipe off all this excess powder, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna apply all over my face as well. And next, using the same contour shade, I'm gonna apply in my eyelid with this small blending brush. This will create a very soft and natural effect in my eyes, so I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow working in circular motions. And now I'm gonna use a very good eyeshadow base by Sigma, and this is the shade Bubbly. It's very shimmery and so cute, so I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid and also in the tear duct area of my eyes. Right on top, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the lightest highlighter from the palette that I was using before. This is the Contour palette, and it's very pigmented and so good, so I can use as eyeshadow as well. So using a normal eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid and also in the tear duct of my eyes. And as you can see here, this color is so beautiful, and I'm gonna use as my highlighter in my face as well. Next, I'm gonna use the Bullish Palette, also by Sigma. This palette is so good and amazing, so cute, because it has amazing colors that match with many different skin shades. So I'm gonna use the pinkish color in the apples of my cheeks using the same brush as before, and also I'm gonna use the exact same color in the eyelid, but just a little tiny bit to create a kind of natural effect. And to apply, I'm gonna use a very fluffy blending brush. And to finish my face, now I'm gonna apply the highlighter, the same that I was using the eyelid and tear duct area. And to apply this highlighter in the highest points of my face, I'm gonna use the high cheekbone brush. This is also by Sigma and is a very good brush as well. I think I have many favorites by Sigma, and also my favorites eye brushes is in my Melissa Samways favorites brush set, so I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. And you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. And now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. You don't have to do this step in case you're not interested, but today I decided to go for a cat eye effect. So I'm gonna use the Wicked Gel Liner by Sigma Beauty as well. This is a very good gel liner because it's waterproof, dries matte, and is very pigmented. So I'm gonna use the E06 brush. That is my favorite to line my eyes. It's also in my favorite brush set to create my eyeliner. So I'm gonna just pop on some fake lashes, and now I'm gonna do my lipstick. Today I'm gonna use Behold and also Venom by Sigma. I love the new formula and the colors are stunning. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. This is my favorite makeup look of all the time because I can use in a daytime and also in a nighttime. If this is too much to use in a daytime, I just apply matte eyeshadows in the eyelid. And that's it for this look. I really hope that you like it. I really hope that you get your brush set to help us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. God bless you. Bye.